Here are the air conditioners again at a same gas station I got last time. These are Luxair and Carrier units at a gas station I filmed last time, but I'm gonna have to do it properly again. Here's a Carrier run. This is a 2007 5-ton R410A refrigerant. Kind of rattling. It's a straight cool unit. Here's another Carrier right over here. This is a 2007 3-ton R410A. Filter dryer right there. Here's a Luxair Accumulate 3 S series. Not running. This is a 2006 4-ton R22 refrigerant. There are lines right there. They're all at a gas station. Here's a Trenton refrigeration component running. There's a fan. Here's a Russell right here. This one just shut it off. Here's a Russell. This one's got a Copeland scroll. And here's a little one that's running. Yeah, I guess that's it. The two 2007 3-ton and 5-ton Carrier and a 2006 Luxair unit. Only the Carrier is running because this is the 5-ton unit. I guess we're out.